satin, the wind is blowing it away. It's super floaty, as you can see. It's really windy, and I really like this version for a more summery robe. Short sleeves, cut the sleeve shorter and drew the hem for it to hit above my elbow. I really like how this looks, and this is the original length of the robe. I think it's a little bit shorter than what I would like, just 1 inch, because you can see my nightie is poking out there a little bit underneath the hem. I don't like that. I really want my robe to be a tad longer, so I knew to add the length to my proper one, the one you're going to see afterwards. I didn't have enough fabric to do the band in the same satin, so I used a rayon twill. I like the look of an opaque band. I'm not sad I didn't have the same fabric, so another floaty, nice look. I really wanted to have a satin one, and I love the colors here. Underneath, I just have my Luna nightie slash slip that I made a few months ago, so that's what's under there. And I really like the look of this robe. Really pretty, and it fits really well. It's just really classic, really. I will actually never wear this tied up. I don't really do that sort of thing, and this tie is a little bit long. I will shorten it. Originally the pattern had a tie that was shortened during the test, because that's why you test patterns, but I haven't changed my tie. So now these can just hang on the sides and not annoy me, and I can wear my robe loose, because that's how I would usually wear something. I would wear it open so I don't feel constricted. So maybe if you're in the hot weather like me in the southern hemisphere, you want to try making a robe with short sleeves. It's not official in the pattern, but it's so easy to do, and I've shown you how. And you can make it out of a really light fabric. I would love to make one in a rayon. That would be super nice and super soft on the skin, would look really flowy and light. Satin is beautiful. I would probably stay with satins that have less sheen and a print. I really don't like the extra shiny ones. And I had originally put a satin band on, but I really dislike the look of that, just shining here on my chest. I'd rather keep the shine down. So I swapped it for this one, and I really like this opaque band best. It's a robe that fits really well. It's not super oversized or really sloppy. The shoulders fit amazing, and I'm very happy with it. Super nice. It also has a center back seam, so that's always a plus, because other than saving fabric, it lets you shape a little bit at the back, which is not bad. So yeah, go make yourselves plenty of these for yourself and for gifts.